How often do you actually think about your retirement? Is your insurance as straightforward as your day-to-day banking? If the answer to either of those is rarely or no, you are not alone. The world of long-term finances, pensions, insurance, all that crucial stuff, is often buried in jargon and complicated forms. It's the opposite of the instant, easy life we're used to. But here's the thing, planning for your future shouldn't feel like a chore. That's where Monzo steps in, bringing its signature simplicity to two of the most important parts of your financial life, pensions and insurance. Let's start with pensions. If you've had a few jobs, you probably have a few pension pots scattered around like forgotten socks. Monzo's pension offering, a self-invested personal pension or SIPP, is designed to solve that headache. The key benefit? Consolidation and clarity. Monzo allows you to track down and combine your old pension pots into one, easily viewable place, right there in the app. No more logging into 3 different sites with 3 different passwords. This clear, single view gives you a simple, real-time snapshot of your retirement savings, helping you feel more in control and less anxious about your future. They partner with major fund managers to offer pre-selected investment funds, often target date funds, that automatically adjust the risk as you get closer to retirement. This simplifies the investment decision, making long-term saving accessible even if you're not a financial expert. Crucially, they cut through the noise with jargon-free guidance, helping you build your knowledge as your pot grows. Now, let's talk insurance. Accidents happen, and coverage is essential. Monzo understands that buying insurance can be just as confusing as pensions. This is where their paid-for accounts, like Monzo Max, offer huge value by bundling necessary coverages. We're talking worldwide travel insurance, phone insurance, and even UK and European breakdown cover. The importance here is convenience and comprehensive protection. Instead of managing multiple policies with different renewal dates and providers, you get your essential coverages rolled into your banking plan. It's set it and forget it security, all managed from the same app you use every day. For users who travel, or who have families and expensive tech, this bundling can actually save money and, more importantly, a ton of hassle when you need to make a claim. So, the importance of Monzo's approach is clear. They strip away the complexity from the crucial financial products we often ignore. They bring all your money matters, your spending, saving, investing, and protection, into one intuitive hub. It's about more than just banking. It's about providing you with the tools and visibility to secure your long-term future without the stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.